Hi, I'm Kashyap. I got 47th rank in JEE Advanced, and currently I'm pursuing BTech in IIT Bombay. And I started my journey with PACE in 10th, in the 3-year batch. First year was online, and the other 2 years, because of COVID, and the other 2 years, I went to PACE the other center. So currently, this is the batch that has completed boards, I think, and are thinking of pursuing uh, engineering or medical. And I would strongly advise before making this decision, talk to people and on a personal level and talk to them how they went about their journey and whether this is the right stream for you. Now, I know many people who came just for the sake of it, कि कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है, let's just take science and hoping कि कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा. But if you don't have the interest for it, if you don't have the passion for it, you will just be left grinding and you won't have fun. So even Niba ma'am pointed it out. 50% of the work is done when you have decided that you want to do JEE or whatever, if you want to do engineering or medical. Once you have made the decision, once you have uh, made an informed decision, you'll stick to it no matter what. And that motivation will drive you over the 2 years. Secondly, yeah, I studied through PACE and it was wonderful. Matlab, all the teachers helped me in every aspect of the journey. I didn't need any help. I mean, I remember my mom was uh, always two-sided. Ki, do we need help? Do we need to go to other coaching test series or something? But I was always confident in PACE and the teachers helped and guided me in every aspect. Any personal question also, anything, anytime you feel ki, is this going correct? How is say some exam after some test you feel low कि marks नहीं आए, I did मेहनत इतना किया फिर भी नहीं आया. You can talk to teachers, you can and they'll help you, guide you. So that's wonderful about PACE, that family like feeling.